Pete Diamond here in Jacksonville, Florida. This is a quick video on the success I've had with the Black+Decker line of yard tools. So if you're a recent homeowner, or maybe you've just let your landscaper go and you're going to tackle it yourself, and you've discovered that you need a weed eater slash edger, maybe some hedge cutters and a little blower, then this set here, these 3 pieces, 3 batteries, 2 chargers, can all be bought for less than $200. And I've had the blower and the weed eater for almost 10 years now in my house here in Florida, and they get used every single week and they're still going strong. So what's great about this weed eater edger is you press this button here and the head pivots, and so that means that you don't have to do that awkward holding the weed eater at a funny angle in order to edge with it. And it also means that while you're out edging, if you see something that you need to weed eat real quick, you just click it back and weed eat away. So just to give you an idea of what one battery does, and I'll speed this up so you don't have to sit and watch the whole process. All the way down here, both sides of the driveway. All the way up behind the air conditioning unit, all on the fence line, all along around here, all along the shrubs, and behind. All up and behind there, all here, missed a couple right there, all the way along here, all up under here, and this is the area I'm still trying to get to grow in, and then all the way down my curb, all the way around. All this is one battery. One battery. Both sides of the footpath. Right. We get around the mailbox. And then all here. And back to where we started. Respooling it is super easy too. You just release the tabs. This comes off. And this is the spool. Now you can buy new spools. So this is the original spool that I've had ever since I bought this, and all I do is wind on some more line when it needs it. So this is the line I've been buying. I bought all different kinds, but this Cyclone line has worked the best for me, so there's a link in the description down below. One of these spools lasts me, I don't know, 2-3 years, and I'm just going to buzz off the length of it and then re-spool the spool. So get a good length of it going. And get a pair of cutters and just snip it off. Oh, come on. There we go. Now this strimmer only has one string, and it's retained through that little notch right there. So you can see that there. But it's just that piece goes down in that hole, and then it goes through that notch and then into the inside of the spool, and then you just wind it on. And what you got to do is pay attention to the direction arrow. Shows you which way to wind it. So there it is, fed in. Then you just lock it through that notch. Thread through that notch. Now it's on the inside, and now paying attention to the arrow, we just spool it on. So there it is, re-spooled. And we're just going to set it back in here. There's a hole where it comes out right there. So feed it out of that. And go ahead and clip that back on, and this will advance automatically. So the other part of this combo set that I bought from Black+Decker is this blower, and let me turn it on. Now it's squealed. I've sprayed WD-40 in it, and it just keeps going. Now this is not the most powerful blower. It certainly isn't going to blow off massive amounts of debris, but all of your typical, you know, leaves and grass clippings from mowing, It is fully capable. Now that's with the same battery that I just used to edge, and let me go change it to a brand new battery and you'll hear the difference. So I have 4 batteries, 2 chargers, and I find that the 4 batteries are sufficient to do all of the edging, all of the touch-up, weed eating, and then all of the blowing off every time I mow. So as long as I have 4 batteries ready to go, it works just fine. Now, quick point out, this is the original Black+Decker battery, and this here is a knockoff one. Both work perfectly fine. I can tell no difference in runtime. I can't do this one-handed, hold on. As I was saying, I can't tell any discernible difference in runtime, but this is with a new battery. I don't know if you can hear that. While we're here, you can see that edger does a really good job of cutting a nice channel. So it's not as good obviously as a metal bladed one, but it does a real good job. So I'm going to finish blowing this off. Back in a minute. Another feature this blower comes with is on the end of the nozzle you have these little scrapers. What that's designed to do is so again, I'm not going to kid you, it's not a super powerful blower, but it is perfect for small jobs. It's a lightweight, it's easy to handle, and the price is, I mean, you just can't beat it. I mean, you can keep a couple of these around. This is great for blowing off the Florida room. It's great for blowing out the garage. So yeah, highly recommend it.